Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something truly game-changing with you. Restory AI. Now, let me tell you why I'm so excited about this tool. I've spent countless hours trying to create engaging videos. From brainstorming content to editing and fine-tuning every little detail. It's exhausting, and if you've been in the same boat, you know how much time and energy it takes. So when I came across Restory AI, I knew I had to check it out. Picture this. You've got an idea for a video, maybe about the best places to visit in 2023, or a quick ad for your business. Instead of spending hours planning and editing, you simply type in a keyword or paste a URL, and within minutes, you've got a professional quality video ready to go. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? That's what I thought at first, but after using it, I can confidently say that Restory AI delivers on its promises. What makes Restory AI so special is how simple it is to use. It's powered by an advanced AI engine that can transform any idea into a fully designed video with content, images, animations, music, and more. And it's all tailored to the short vertical video format that's taking over platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. These videos are perfect for grabbing attention quickly, especially since more than 80% of internet traffic comes from videos, and 94% of users access them on mobile devices. Restory AI doesn't just create any video. It creates videos designed to convert and engage. Whether you're promoting a product, educating your audience, or sharing entertaining content, this tool has you covered. It even lets you customize everything. If you want to tweak the text, swap out images, or add animations, the drag-and-drop editor makes it incredibly easy. And if you're not the type to spend hours perfecting details, don't worry. You can just use one of the 150-plus professional templates and call it a day. Another thing I love about Restory AI is its extensive library of assets. It comes with 1.5 million stock images and videos, plus a royalty-free music library. You don't have to worry about licensing issues or searching for the perfect clip. It's all included. There are also pre-designed text blocks, animations, stickers, and more to make your videos pop. One feature that really stood out to me is how versatile this tool is. It's perfect for creators in all kinds of niches, whether you're a marketer, business owner, coach, teacher, or even a real estate agent. And because it's cloud-based, you can create videos from anywhere. Imagine the possibilities: creating content for your own brand, selling video creation services to clients, or even using it to streamline your team's workflow. Speaking of selling services, Restory AI comes with an agency license as part of its founder's deal. This means you can create videos for clients and keep 100% of the profits. They've also included 5 sub-user seats, so if you have a team or want to give clients their own logins, you can do that too. I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how's the quality? Well, I tested it, and the results are stunning. The videos look polished, professional, and ready to publish. Plus, the rendering speed is impressive. Unlike other tools that can take hours to process videos, Restory AI gets it done in minutes. That's a huge time saver, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. And let's not forget about the price. Tools like this can cost a fortune, but Restory AI is incredibly affordable, especially with the founder's deal. It's rare to find a tool with this many features at such a low price point. They even offer a 14-day money-back guarantee so you can try it out risk-free. If you're someone who struggles with video creation or just wants to streamline the process, Restory AI is worth checking out. It takes the guesswork out of content creation and gives you everything you need to produce high-quality videos quickly. For me, it's been a game changer, and I can see it being a valuable tool for anyone looking to grow their brand or business through video content. So that's my take on Restory AI. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried it? Are you considering it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.